Ever thought about starting a small manufacturing business? It can be a great way to be your own boss and create something tangible, fulfilling a need in the market. What if you could combine that with a fast production cycle? It's a recipe for success, enabling quick responses to market demands and maximizing profitability. Here are some high-demand small manufacturing business ideas with fast production cycles. Perfect for entrepreneurs looking to get started quickly. First up, consider custom apparel and accessories. With advancements in printing technology, like direct-to-garment printers and sublimation printers, you can create custom t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and even personalized tote bags and hats very quickly. The demand for personalized items is always high, driven by the desire for self-expression and unique gifts. This allows for a quick turnaround and minimal inventory, responding to trends in real time. Next, think about 3D printing services. You can manufacture a variety of items, from prototypes for product development to small, customized parts for various industries, with a rapid turnaround. This is particularly useful for niche markets, where specialized items are sought after, and custom designs are needed. The process can be scaled efficiently, making it a viable option for a growing business. Another idea is the production of handmade soaps and cosmetics. These products are often in high demand, due to the consumer preference for natural and organic ingredients, and the production process can be streamlined for quick cycles. Consider producing candles and essential oils. These complement the market and provide opportunities for bundle sales. The market for home fragrance is growing, and these items can be made efficiently using readily available materials and simple techniques. Don't overlook the potential of crafting personalized gifts. Items like engraved jewelry, custom-made cards, photo albums, and even customized pet accessories can be produced relatively quickly and are always popular. Offering unique designs and personalization options is key to success in this market. The ability to cater to individual preferences gives a competitive advantage. Finally, consider offering a repair service for electronics. Many people prefer to repair their devices rather than replace them, especially as electronics become more sophisticated and expensive. This is a service with high demand and a potentially fast cycle, because it leverages existing demand and reduces waste. Repairing phones, laptops, and other devices provides both an economic and environmental benefit. Starting a small manufacturing business with a fast production cycle requires careful planning, but the potential rewards are significant. Remember to thoroughly research the market you want to enter, create a detailed business plan, plan your finances wisely, and invest in the right equipment that aligns with the chosen business idea. Consider the costs of materials, labor, and marketing to ensure profitability. Developing strong online presence through social media and a website is also highly recommended to market your products or services. Good luck, and remember that with dedication and a well-executed plan, you can turn your small manufacturing business dream into a reality.